Recording best practices. Equipment you'll need. To get started, make sure you have a strong internet connection, a desktop or laptop computer, a good quality microphone. Microphone tips. A head-mounted directional mic is ideal. It helps maintain a steady distance from the mouth to mic, which is key for even volume. Avoid built-in laptop mics. They pick up background noise and make it hard to keep good posture or consistent sound quality. Wired mics are preferred over Bluetooth, which can have connection dropouts. Can't get the exact mic we recommend? No worries, you can still record. Just do your best to follow the best practices we lay out next. Pro tips. Try to always record in the same position if you're doing multiple sessions. Don't breathe directly into the mic. Sip a glass of water between recordings to keep your voice clean and clear. Choose a quiet room, close doors and windows, and minimize background noise.